Hello and welcome to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. Today I have another sneak peek from Art and Soul Diamonds, and I am really looking forward to this one. It's a little different than what I normally work on, but look how gorgeous that she is. And this is Adanna by Cheryl Carpenter. It's a 50 by 50 centimeter and it's square, but I love the hair and I love the eyes. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what all is in this box. So let me get the canvas out and let's take a look. Okay, so first of all, we have the inventory sheet, and this just shows us a thumbnail of what she is going to look like. It also tells us there are 69 colors in this canvas and gives us all the symbols. This tells us the original quantity, meaning that's how many drills that are needed to complete this diamond painting. And then it also gives you the actual quantity, so you have extras. So for instance, for this color 150, we have 183 that's required, and there's 300 that's in here, and we have one bag. I don't ever go off the inventory sheet and go through each of the colors. Once I start to kit up, then if I'm missing something, then I can always call and let them know. I've never had a problem, so I don't see that as any issues. We do have a sticker sheet, which I'm very thankful for. These sticker sheets are individuals, so you can just raise up the sticker and put it either on your bag or on a container, however you like to kit up. I don't usually keep the 1 through 69 on here. I will just cut those off and just use the symbol and then the DMC, because that kind of confuses me a little bit. That is a lot of colors in this canvas, so I am really excited. There are 3 ABs and 2 Soul Dust, and I bet they're going to be in her hair. But I love how the bubbles are all around her, and also the fact that this is a good size canvas for me. We do get a toolkit. Anything that you need to diamond paint is in this kit. You don't have to buy anything extra. You can use everything that's in here. And then if you decide later you want to upgrade, then you can certainly do so, but you don't have to. Comes in this nice cover here. We do have some very pokey, very sharp tweezers. Does have Art and Soul's name on it. And it's purple, which is really nice. We have a purple scrunchie that's going to go on our pin. We have a single placer at this end, a 2 placer at the opposite end. There's also a 9 placer that comes with this as well if you want to use that. We do have some purple wax. With this wax, make sure that if you do use the wax, that you take the plastic off of the wax. If not, you will not be able to load your pen. There's plenty of wax in here for this kit and probably more. We have some extra baggies if you need them, and then we have a tray. So again, everything that you possibly need to diamond paint. Then let's look at the drills. I'm not going to go through all of these colors, but I love pink. I love all these colors together. I love pink with neutral colors. So I'm just going to go slow so you guys can just see. I am going to show you the Soul Dust and the ABs. This does have some 310 black in it. But this is just absolutely beautiful. These are some of my favorite colors, so I cannot wait to look at this canvas. Okay, I flattened it out, so it should be okay for us. We will not be able to see all of this on my table, but I am going to do a pan over, and so you will be able to see then. But look how beautiful that she is. I can pan out just a little bit, not by much. But look at her eyes. They are just beautiful. And the hair, I can see just by glancing at this that it's going to be a mixture of color blocking as well as confetti, which I really like. Her skin is going to be definitely a mixture, so that may take a little while to do. Her hair, it's going to have more confetti in here than I thought it was going to, and I am happy with that because I love confetti. I don't have a problem with that at all. I am going to do a pan over, and so you can see the entire canvas. We do have on the left side, we have our schematic on both the left and the right. Also on around the edges, it is scalloped and sewn, so it helps to prevent fraying, which is definitely important. I only have just a side light on, and I can see all of the symbols without any problems. I don't see any issues with any of the symbols. I've actually gotten used to quite a few of their symbols. They do have a 1 through 9, which is actually 1 through 9 on here. And then, let's see, is there anything else that I can see? There are some lowercase letters as well. We do not have any arrows to have to worry about if the arrow is going to the left or if arrow is going to the right. We have one that looks more like a boomerang than a greater than sign, and we do have a greater than sign, but they are totally different colors, totally different, so that's not a problem at all. There's one I haven't seen. It looks like an upside down mushroom. So what do you guys think of that? Let me see if I can get it to just don't want to focus. Number 68. That looks like an upside down mushroom. But these colors are going to be so, so pretty. So let's do a pan over, and then I will be right back. I just absolutely love this painting, and I think what I am going to do is I've been waiting to see what I wanted to work on for the pink and black event that's going to be hosted by Craftiest Christian as well as Mushmallow, and I am going to do this canvas because it has to have some pink in it, it has to have some black. There's a lot of pink in here, and then 310, that's going to be the black, that's going to be around her neck here. I hope that's not going to be too dark. We'll have to see as I am looking at this. And then also underneath her eyes, that's all black. That's probably her eyeliner. And there's a lot of pink in her hair and in the bubbles and just all around this canvas. So I am just amazed at how beautiful that this is. I can't get over this canvas. If you've never purchased from Art and Soul before, they are what's considered a drop ship company. So they have to send the orders to their manufacturer. Their manufacturer will then produce the order and will ship it out directly to the purchaser. So it does take anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks. Their time has gotten a lot better than it was in the summer. They've made a lot of changes, and I am seeing that I'm getting my canvases that I've ordered a lot sooner, but it's well worth the wait. Now for these, all of these, and there is static. Oh my gosh, there is static in here really bad. And that's not Art and Soul's fault. It has something to do with our climate and humidity here. It doesn't matter. All of my canvases are this way. So I've just gotten to learn to live with static. And if you have not seen my video on how I'm now tackling static, I'll put that up in the top of the eye so you can take a look at that. It is working for me. So we'll see how long it lasts, but if you use dryer sheets, it works like a charm, where you actually put the drills directly onto the dryer sheet and then pour it into your container. If you're going to use just these baggies, then you may just want to put your dryer sheet in the baggie, shake it, and it should be okay. But I like to put mine in different containers. I just cannot work out of baggies. I've tried a couple of times. It was a hot, hot mess, and I swore I'd never do it again, and I haven't. Now look at this dark blue. That's going to be down in the bottom part of her hair, which I have to move this around. It's going to be the bottom part of her hair, which is down through here. Also, over on this side a little bit. Then we have this one, 68 and 69 purple. They are all throughout her hair as well. And then 67, we have 2 bags of 67. And these are ABs. These are beautiful. Oh, there's a little straggler in there. It's like a little green. Now he's trying to hide. But there's 2 bags of 67. That's very generous. And that is going to be around her hair. Also, we're going to have some up in these bubbles. That's up at the top here. And then we have some bubbles down at the bottom here. And so all of that will include some of this pink. And then we have 666. That's going to be in her hair. A little bit in the hair, but mostly it's going to be on the ends of her hair. Down through here and then around the neck area. I'm not sure about that, but we'll have to check it out and see. If I want to, I can even add some more ABs over into these bubbles that are just random on the background. And I might even do that because I have not used my ABs or any of my special drills in a very long time. I think blinging up her eyes would be beautiful. Maybe in some quad cubes if I have that color. We'll just have to wait and see on that. I'm not really sure. But let me know what you think of this. But her eyes are just mesmerizing. That's all that I have for you today, guys. Let me know what you think of this particular canvas. I will also include underneath the description a link to their Facebook group as well as to Cheryl Carpenter. I think she has her own Facebook group as well. And then I will also link to the website if you would like to order this one or if you'd like to order anything else that they have. They have a lot of canvases out there right now. Thanks so much, and until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.